This Towering Pines real estate property video is presented by Nanny Partners. Once the location of Leadbetter Manufacturing, this renovated textile mill is now the site of the upscale Carolyn's Mill Place condominiums, and number 208 is now available. Enjoy lakeside living in this one-bedroom, one-bathroom corner condo that features stunning industrial architectural elements such as lofty ceilings, exposed brick walls, and beautiful wooden beams. An open concept floor plan allows for flexibility and provides ample space for entertaining, while large windows keep the space light and airy, providing a perfect frame for the magnificent water view. The condos come with a gated area for parking, a patio and dock by the lake, and a grill/picnic area for tenant use. For more information